Today in part 1, let's explore the Enoshima Island by learning about some shrines, some history, and trying some food. Enoshima Island is truly a beautiful place to be, relax, and have some fantastic time, so join me on this spectacular adventure of Japan. Of course.
Pizza.
What do you see up there?
See lots of crepes.
What kind of is your favorite?
Probably Nutella.
Nutella?
But this is so cool. They
Where's
have a
Nutella?
pizza crepe. Nutella crepe? Oh, banana chocolate crepes are really very good too.
Enoshima Station is only about 20 minutes away from the Kamakura Station, and the first thing I noticed in this beautiful sunny day is how much food there is here. Enoshima Island is only about 2.5 miles or about 4 kilometers in circumference and is located in the Kanagawa Prefecture of Japan. As you can see, the direction of the arrow is where we have to go to cross the bridge. These gatekeeper dragon stone lanterns were built in 2001 and symbolize the entrance to the island. This is the Katase River, which is a part of the Sakai River which flows into the Sagami Bay. Now if you don't want to do a lot of walking and you would like some sightseeing, you can also take a boat called Bentenmaru you see in front around the island, which for 400 yen or just under $4 will drop you off by the Enoshima Caves. The Tokyo 2020 Olympics symbol still stands despite being moved to 2021. This is the Enoshima Bridge, which spans about 2,000 feet or 600 meters in length and goes directly onto the island. Past the bridge, the first thing you see is the seafood restaurant on your left and the hamburger restaurant on your right. On this map you will find islands destinations. Much ice cream that we got here in Enoshima Island. Let's go. In front of us is the green Torii Gate, which signifies the entrance to the Nakamise Street leading to the 3 Enoshima Jinja Shrines, with the biggest one being the Hetsunomiya Main Shrine, which you will see in this video. This is a large Hello Kitty store for the Hello Kitty fans. In this store you can find a variety of different Hello Kitty products and souvenirs like mugs, cups, keychains, edibles, and more. You can even make some pictures with one of the several Hello Kitty characters. Let's go inside the store. On the left, people are waiting to try Enoshima's famous octopus rice crackers, which they make from scratch and shave it off with an orbital sander for smoothness. Approaching the red Torii Gate, we're about to enter the Enoshima Shrine territory, which has three parts: the Hetsunomiya Outer Main Shrine, the Nakatsunomiya Middle Shrine, and the Okutsunomiya Inner Shrine. Ahead of us is the Zuishi-nmon Wooden Tower Gate, which leads to the official worship road Otokozaka.
Now you can see the water.
Oh yeah? Tell us what you see.
It's the water in the city and the bridge to get here.
Let's check it out. Oh wow, look at that. Nice. Crazy. Before we get to the Hetsunomiya Outer Shrine, the first thing we need to do is wash our hands and mouths up above at the Chozuya before heading onto the sacred grounds. The way of purifying yourself is called Chozu, and it's done prior to prayers. This is the Hetsunomiya Main Shrine of the three Enoshima Jinja Shrines that I mentioned earlier. Originally, Hetsunomiya was built in the astounding year of 1206 by the third Shogun of Kamakura Shogunate, whose name was Minamono no Sanetomo, and later rebuilt in the year of 1976. The little red and white papers that you see hanging are the omikuji that give you advice and tell you your fortune.
Just missed it.
Here's the little pond with the white dragon god. Here, by washing the money in this pond using a small basket, your fortune is set to multiply and you will have a ton of money come back to you. I will tell you guys if it actually worked.
ターバックスの USJ で入れたことがある。
なんで超えちゃうの？Hey, do I get one?
Huh?
ऐसे और कहीं जाएगा? नहीं यार.
This red octagonal building is the Honden and the naked Benzaiten goddess statue, also known as the Hadaka, or the Myoon-Benzaiten, was enshrined inside of it during the Edo period. Hadaka is the goddess of artistry, music, and wisdom. These are the omamori, or the lucky charms, which you can purchase. They're wrapped in cloth bag.
Konnichiwa. Nice outfit. Nice outfit.
For about $5 you can get a seal stamp given by the shrines called Goshuin. They prove your relationship with gods. You can also buy a Shuin-cho or the seal stamp collection notebook. With these beautiful flower beds, this concludes the first part of the Enoshima Island. Stay tuned for part 2 of the Enoshima Island, where we're going to explore more of the beautiful island, more shrines, more amazing gardens and hidden gems that you will not see anywhere else, and of course the highly anticipated sea candle that we will climb up to. Stay tuned and don't miss a beat. And if you want to see more awesome videos, then make sure to follow, subscribe, like, and of course hit that bell down below so that you do not miss any of my new content. See you in my next video.